And we have a reminder for you. One of our health district's newest vaccine clinic locations is at the mall, La Palmera Mall. You can go there any day of the week during regular mall operating hours to get a shot. For many, the location makes it a more convenient option than some of the other sites. Other sites will be open this week as well. There'll be a clinic at the Richard M. Borchard Fairgrounds tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday from 9 to 3. They'll have both first and second doses of the Moderna vaccine. Friday from 9 to 11. The health district will have a drive-through clinic at their office on Horn and Greenwood. It is primarily for those who have been notified that they need the second shot. Other state health departments, our state, Texas Health Department says nearly 2 million doses will arrive in Texas today. More than 700,000 of those are set aside to be the first doses. Nearly 690,000 are second doses. Roughly 500,000 shots will be sent to pharmacies across the Lone Star State. And we're learning more about Pfizer, stating a booster will be needed to battle COVID. The CEO says that the third shot could be administered within a year of a person being fully vaccinated for COVID-19. Now, our public health director says a booster would act similar to an annual booster, just like the flu shot. However, even without it, we could still achieve herd immunity.
You know, the herd immunity is really with the two vaccines for Moderna and Pfizer fully vaccinated, and so we wouldn't count the booster as adding to the herd immunity.
The potential third dose could also help protect against COVID-19 variants.